Good morning, students. How are you? Have your breakfast? Okay. Today we are going to see a new topic called electricity. We are familiar with the electricity, isn't it? In our home, in your home also there is a electricity. So let's discuss about electricity. First of all, let's discuss about source of electricity. What is nothing but source? Source. A source, a device from which electricity produced is called source of electricity. Okay, first we see about source. A device from which electricity produced is called source of electricity. In our Tamil Nadu, there are some source of electricity. So let's see about that. First of all, thermal source of electricity. That is thermal power station. Thermal power station is in Neyveli district in Kadalur. Neyveli in Kadalur district. And second, atomic power station. Atomic power station is in Kudamulam in Tirunelveli district. And third, windmill. Windmill is in Aralvaimoni in Kanyakumari district. And the fourth, Heidelberg power station. Heidelberg power station is in Mettur in Salem district. So let's see about that four power station, that is source of electricity in Tamil Nadu. First of all, let's see about thermal power station. Thermal power station. Okay. From the word thermal, we know about it is heat. From the heat alone, the electricity is produced. In the thermal power station, the coal, oil and natural gas is burnt so that the steam is produced. Because of the steam, the turbine gets rotated. Okay. Because of the rotation of the turbine that is attached to the coil that is present in between the electromagnet, the electromagnet gets induced. Because of the induction, the heat is produced. Due to heat, the electricity is produced. This is called thermal power station. Do you understand this? Okay. The next is Heidelberg power station. Okay. What is Heidel? Heidel is nothing but water. From the water the electricity is produced, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Heidelberg power station. In this, if you imagine a dam, okay, in the dam, the water flow from the top and flow into the down. In the bottom, they kept a turbine. Because of the force of the water that is flow from the top, the turbine gets rotated. Due to this, the electricity is produced. So we say that as kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy is called Heidelberg power station. And the third one is atomic power station. Third one is atomic power station. Okay. The other name for atomic power station is nuclear power station. In atomic power station, the nuclear energy is used to boil the water. Because of the water get boiled, the steam is produced. Due to the steam, the turbine get rotated. So, okay, so that the electricity is produced. In this, the nuclear energy is converted into mechanical energy and the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. This is called atomic power station. And the fourth one is windmill. And the fourth one is windmill. In this, the air blows. Because of the air blows, the turbine get rotated. We all see that. We know about what is windmill, isn't it? It is present near to our state, isn't it? Yes. So because of the air blows, the turbine get moved. So that the kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. This is called windmill. So let's see about what is source of electricity, thermal power station, Heidelberg power station, atomic power station and windmill. These are the 4 source of electricity in Tamil Nadu. Okay, let's see about the next topic. Next topic is cell. And the next topic is cell. What is cell? A device from which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is called cell. A device from which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. A device from which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is called cell. Okay, a chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is called cell. Okay, in this, if you are creating a cell, what are the process? Let's see about that. Take a chemical solution. The chemical solution it produces act as a positive ion as well as negative ion. That are called electrodes. Okay, and in the chemical solution, you kept two rods. That is called electrolyte. Because of that, the electricity that is called cell. Okay, because of that, the electricity is produced, and that due to the flow of continuity, we use this as a battery or cell. Okay, this is called cell. There are 2 types of cell. What are 2 types of cell? The first is primary cell, and the second one is secondary cell. There are 2 types of cell, primary cell as well as secondary cell. A device cannot be recharged is called primary cell. A device cannot be recharged is called primary cell. Example, this cell, remote cell. These are the examples for primary cell. A device that cannot be recharged is called primary cell. And the secondary cell is opposite of primary cell. A device can be recharged many times. Example, car battery, mobile battery. These are the examples for secondary cell. Okay, let's do. What is battery? We all hear about the word battery, isn't it? What is battery? The collection of cell is called battery. Okay, we are collecting. There is a collection of cells. We are collecting many cells and keeping in one arrow or one box. It is called battery. So what are the 2 types of cell? Primary cell and secondary cell. Primary cell means it cannot be recharged, and secondary cell means it can be recharged many times. These are the cell. Let's see the next topic. Let's see about the next topic. Conductor and insulator. Conductor and insulator. What is conductor? What is insulator? It's not say about the bus conductor. Okay, it's another conductor. It is an electricity in conductor. Okay, a device that allows electricity to pass through it is called conductor. Okay, a device or a thing that allows electricity to pass through it is called conductors. Example, I am the example. Okay, human being are the example for conductor, because we all experience there is a shock. In my life I have experienced that. In your life also some of you experience that, isn't it? Okay, that is called conductors. And the opposite of the conductor is nothing but insulator. A device that do not accept or allow current to pass through is called insulator. Example, scale, pencil, pen, isn't it? These are the examples of insulators. Okay, what is conductor? A device that allow electricity to pass through it is called conductors. A device that do not allow electricity to pass through it is called insulators. Next, okay. So today what we have studied? Today we have studied about the lesson electricity. From that we studied about source of electricity. What is the source of electricity? A device that is used to produce electricity is called source of electricity. In Tamil Nadu, there are 4 sources of electricity: thermal power station, atomic power station, windmill, and Heidelberg power station. Okay. Next, we see about cell. A device from which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is called cell. There are 2 types of cell: primary cell and secondary cell. And we have see about battery. The collection of cell is called battery. And third, we have see about conductors and insulators. A device that allow current through pass through it is called conductors, and the opposite of conductor is insulator. A object or a device that do not allow current to pass through it is called insulator. Yes, I think you all have understood this lesson. Okay, thank you, students.